Where's the circle? Very good! Yay! Where's the triangle? Good job! Yay! Good girl! Where is the star? Very good! Where's the square? Good girl! Where is the oval? Very good! Where's the rectangle? Where's the rectangle? Good girl! And where's the diamond? Where's the diamond? Show me the diamond. Perfect score! Good girl! Yay! Wow! Very good, Naomi. You got them all. Wow, 7 out of 7. Where's the cow? Do you see a cow? Where's the cow in the book? Where? Cow. What? Oops. Where's the cow? Show me the cow. Cow. Where? Very good, Naomi. Yay! Where's the rabbit? Doing, yeah, rabbit jumping. Where is it? Where's the rabbit? Show me the rabbit's nose. Very good. Very good. That's your nose. What did the cow say? What did the cow say? Cow. Very good. What about the sheep? Where's the sheep? Is that what the sheep said? Bah. Very good. Where's the monkey? That's the monkey? What? That's what the monkey said? Where is it? Where's the monkey? Yeah, but it's a rabbit. I'm asking you, monkey. Okay, never mind. Where's the goat? Cow. Very good. We're still in the cow and the bunny. Okay. Where is the goat? Is that what the goat said? Nah. What about the bear? That's what the bear said? Bear. Very good. What about the bird? Where's the bird? Oh, that's what the bird said, huh? Where's the bird? Yay! Good girl! Anna! What? Where are your books? Show me your books. Show me your books. Where are your books?